I just recently saw your song Urvashi Menka, and I have to say you are amazing in it.
Oh yeah, yeah, that is trending right now in South, and I'm like, that's what I said now in the beginning. This year is the celebration year. It's gonna be rocking. Ramba Urvasi Menka. This song is from Alludu Adrush, and it released on 14th Makar Sankranti, and we are having like 5.5 million views in 5 days, and it is like trending right now. So I'm just enjoying this time, because as an actor, whatever you touch, it's coming out as a gold, and everybody's appreciating and enjoying. I think this is the grateful thing. Yes, I feel so gratitude right now.
So, in the song, whichever what we have seen on YouTube, we see you dancing mainly with Srinivas. But do you get a chance to shake a leg with Sonu sir as well?
Yeah. Sonu sir, I know him from 2010. I know him when I was a model, and he was the judge in Bharat and Dorish. Like first time I came to Bombay in 2010. Okay. And I was a model, and my makeup artist made me a Durga, and she won the competition, and we do have a discussion about this thing. So I know Sonu Sood from that time. And last year we were there in one function as both guests of honor in the same event. So it was. I was really so proud, and he was like, "I'm so proud of you, Mona, seeing you growing so much all this year." And when we met on set of Alludu Adru's song, so what happened that day? 2 days before I called Sonu Sood because he was supporting me when I was in Bigg Boss house, Bigg Boss Telugu 4. So he was supporting me. He did made a post about me, and it was really heart touching. So thank you note, I called him, and he said, "I'm in Hyderabad." I said, "I'm in Hyderabad. Let's catch up." And then 2 days after that, 2 days we were shooting together for Alludu Adru's, and it was surprising for both of us. So we did got a chance to dance together.
So, coming to Bigg Boss Telugu, how would you sum up your journey? I think you were there inside for 98 days, if I'm not wrong. So, how would you sum up your journey?
I say it's my second life in Telugu industry. I got another chance. People loved me so much. And I learned something, before that, if I'll go a little back, 2 years back, I was like kind of little depression and feeling low and all. And I was having a self-doubt. Am I a good person or not? Because of whatever the situation happened. After Bigg Boss, one thing is very sure. The kind of amount of love and respect I'm gained after Bigg Boss. It's like I'm a really good-hearted and good person. I don't mind if 10 people is talking bad about me. I can still survive now lifelong because I think I made it that mark when I know I'm a good person. And Bigg Boss is a platform where your real personality will come out and you can become a better person. So I think it's a life-changing experience for me. I will never ever forget Bigg Boss season 4 in my life because it's changed my life. And one more thing, so many people said after Bigg Boss there is no life. I made this statement wrong, saying after Bigg Boss also you have a beautiful life if you believe in it. So yeah.
And how was your equation with, Naga Arjun sir? So frankly, I haven't seen Bigg Boss Telugu. I watch Bigg Boss Hindi, which is hosted by Salman sir. So I would like to know how was your equation with Naga Arjun sir, when he was hosting, of course, that season for you?
He is a super polite person, very gentleman. I love Nagarjuna sir like anything. This first time I saw in the season, we all are super young. I mean, young. All Telugu format was only, I think, 4 or 5 people who were, I think, above 30, I guess. Everybody was like, in under 30. So everybody is the youth. So to survive and, deal with the people and how to make them understand when they're making a mistake, the way he handles is amazing. Nagarjuna sir, I love him so much. I see sometimes you don't get a words how to explain because what my mama, my sister saw, he always made a point when I made a mistake. He used to correct me and encourage me to speak more good Telugu. So I think end of the season I was speaking in a Telugu. When I enter, I just understand 20%. I guess 20% or 20% I can speak, I guess. And now I can speak almost 70% Telugu just because of Bigg Boss and Nagarjuna sir. Because you need a comfort zone when you are going in different language, different state, and altogether it's surrounding is so different for me because I'm a Gujarati. So that's huge difference in Gujarat and South. But I think Nagarjuna sir's Bigg Boss team and them all, and my entire contestant, I'm thankful because everybody is involvement. I survive on 98 days. So yeah.
So, what's happening next? Where do we see you? Is it a movie? Is it a Gujarati film? Because I think you have done a lot of Gujarati film as well. So, Gujarati, Telugu or Hindi, what's happening next now?
So, last year my movie Reva got National Award. That's a Gujarati movie, Reva. It's a very, 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 very good response we got. The same director, my another movie is coming called Vikino Varghodo. It's a Gujarati. Then another movie is coming. It's a Peti Pack. That is another Gujarati. Listening couple of script in Hindi and even in Telugu. Now I am hosting. I am one of the judge in Dance Plus Telugu. So there is so many things are happening simultaneously. And February I am taking a house in Bombay, so it's gonna be like Bombay, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bombay, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad. Because I'm list couple of web series scripts also. But after Kagaz, I have to have a really something great. I don't want to go with something small or like that. So being little choosy because I want to play a different character altogether. So yeah, looking forward for that.
Right. So Monal, it was really nice chatting with you and thank you for being with us and all the best for all your future projects.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much.